Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Excel saves its workbooks using a default file format that provides a smaller file size and better security than the format used in versions of Excel prior to Excel 2007. If you will be sharing your workbook collaboratively with others who need to use and edit the workbook with an old version of Excel, note that some of the newer features are not supported by old versions of Excel. Also, if you save an Excel workbook using the new Excel file format, it will not be able to be opened in previous versions of Excel unless the users of the older versions download a compatibility pack from Microsoft that lets them open and edit it. In versions of Excel prior to 2007, there were two basic file types that you can recognize by examining the file's extension. There were .xls files, which were the workbooks, and there were .xlt files, which were the workbook templates. Starting in Excel 2007 and continuing through the current version, you still have the basic distinction between the workbooks and templates, but you also have another file distinction, whether or not the workbook or template can contain macros or code. This is noted by an additional letter in the file extensions for the workbooks and templates. For the newer Excel file types, the .xlsx file type is the default Excel workbook file. This is an Excel workbook without macros or code. When you use the Save As dialog box to save a workbook, if the Save As type field shows Excel workbook, then this is the file type as which it will be saved. Additionally, you can also save a file using the .xlsm file extension. This is an Excel workbook that could contain macros or code. This file extension naming structure also applies to workbook templates. A workbook template without macros or code uses a .xltx file extension. A workbook template that allows for the execution of macros or code uses the .xltm file format. If creating a workbook that must be opened or edited using an old version of Excel, you can save the file using the old .xls file extension, which is compatible with Excel 97 through Excel 2003. You can choose the file type by using the Save As type drop-down within the Save As dialog box. If you open an old Excel 97 through 2003 workbook file in a newer version of Excel, you will see the words Compatibility Mode appear in the title bar of the workbook if this is the case. In Compatibility Mode, Excel disables any features not supported by the older versions of Excel. That way you can edit the workbook safely in Excel and save your changes in the original file format. This lets the creator or other editors using older versions of Excel open and edit the workbook after you make changes. Contrarily, you can also open workbooks created in older versions of Excel and save them into the new Excel file format if you know they no longer need to be opened and edited in an older version of Excel. If you are interested, Microsoft has a backwards compatible file converter you can download from their website that lets the older versions of Microsoft Office 2000 and 2003 open the new Excel files.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.